What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. You need to budget. Welcome to today's Friday financial tips, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about budgeting. Look, you guys need to have a monthly budget plan. You guys need to know how much you're spending and how much you're receiving. So honestly, you guys need to know how much you're spending down to the cent. It's okay to know how much you're earning, around what, the kind of figures you're earning, but what you're spending, you need to know, you need to have it down to a cent what you're doing. You need to write it down, groceries, haircuts, gym memberships, TV subscriptions, eating out, recreational activities, any subscriptions you have. You need to budget and know how much you're spending. If you're spending too much or you're spending money in places you didn't even know or you don't need to be, cut costs. If that means getting another roommate, if that means getting, a cheaper car, if that means canceling your next Netflix subscription, if that means anything. If you need to cut costs, cut costs. If that means stopping eating out 7 times a week and changing it to 5, do it. If it means drinking coffee every single morning, only going 3 mornings, that's still a lot by the way, but yeah, do it. You need to budget so you know where you're at, and you know where you stand. Guys, I hope you're having a great Friday. I've just come back from the gym. I'm refreshed. It's the last Friday of the month, guys. Q1 is almost over. So if you're not where you want to be financially after Q1, you need to be. And how are you going to get there? Well, one step is knowing how much you're spending. Because if you're spending way too much, like I said, you need to cut costs. You need to budget, because if you budget, you can see where you're spending money and where you're, receiving money. You need to know where money is coming in from different angles and what you're receiving is covering what. So if you're earning, money from a side hustle, is it covering your car payments? Is it covering your rent? If you're earning money from your main job, is that covering, all your groceries, all your recreational activities, all your subscriptions? And of course, the aim is not to have, to be earning $1,000 a week and spending $950 a week. I told you guys how much you need to save. I told you guys the way you need to save. I told you guys what investments you should have. And I've told you guys that you need to have income coming from more than one different place. You've got expenses coming from more than one different place. So why not income? Don't be okay with having one single, source of income. You need to have streams of income coming from all different places. If you guys really want to get to the level where, you should be, where I believe you can be, where I believe you can get to, you need to have income coming from all different places. You need to be saving money, cutting costs, and budgeting. Like me, I budget every single month, so I know exactly how much I'm bringing in. Of course, some months are more, some months are less, but I know the minimum I'm bringing in, that I should be bringing in. And I know how much I'm spending. I know exactly what I'm spending on. I take note of all my payments. I take note of everything I'm spending my money on. And you guys should do the same, honestly. I'm feeling refreshed, like I said, this Friday morning. Just come back from the gym, feeling bubbly, feeling excited, up for it. We're gonna have a great day today. I need you guys to keep, liking the videos, subscribing to these videos, sharing these videos, commenting on these videos, everything. Because we need more people to be financially aware and understand, their spending, their expenses, their income, their earnings. But like I said, every Friday I'm going to keep giving you guys financial tips, and you guys need to you need to use them. Don't just listen and stand here and watch me doing it. And you guys do the same. Really, budgeting is so important. You're going to realize when you budget, oh, I'm spending money here, I didn't even know. Oh, I could earn a little bit of money from here, I could cut some costs, I can save some money here. You guys need to keep doing that. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great Friday. If you've not checked out my watches, make sure you go check them out. See you in the future for another video. Peace.